All right, so students of Ms. Kiger, Ms. Riley, and Ms. Scott, here we're continuing with equivalent fractions. Remember we did this? So here I have a shape that is very common on the Virginia SOLs in 4th grade and also in 5th grade, but especially in 4th grade. This is the first time we're using this whole block as one whole. This is a difficult concept for the kids because in 1st grade, 2nd grade, and 3rd grade, this block, each of these blocks this was a one whole, this was 2, and this whole thing meant 100. Well, we're trying to use this same picture not to mean 100 anymore. Now it means 1, just 1. So a piece of it is a fraction or a decimal. All right, so we're going to see this a lot. So let's divide this. Let's call it, do you want to call it a cracker or a cookie? What do you want to call it? Let's see, how many equal pieces am I dividing this into? Pretend that's not there anymore. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've divided it into fifths because there are 5 pieces, so that's the number on the bottom. Down here, I could divide it into hundredths if I wanted, right? And then I could divide it into hundredths, but we're not going to. I'm going to divide it instead. I'm just going to divide it into 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I apologize, this is an old iPad. This is what we had available in Campbell County, so I can't push pause. So this is very common. Let's see. Oh, let's shade in 1 piece of the fifths, 2 pieces, 3 pieces of the fifths. How many? 3 pieces, but these pieces are bigger than this. These are fifths pieces. So we shaded in 3 out of 5. This, we're going to shade in the same amount. So I have to go from here to here. So let me shade it all in. Throw that marker away. Get a new marker. Shade it in. Best we can. Now, these, the same amount is shaded in, right? We can see that right there. This amount is the same as this. What's the name of this one going to be? Well, how many blue pieces did I cut it into? I cut it into 10 pieces, so 10 is on the bottom. And how many of those tenths did I fill in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tenths. So we say the name 3/5 is the same, is equal, is equivalent to 6 tenths. Okay? Right? Good. Hey, just for fun, let's do hundredths. It's also equal to, if we divided it into 100 little pieces, how many of those little pieces would we have filled in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So these 3 fractions are all the same amount, just different names. So that's our review.